buy the rumor and sell the news. But how? Here's all you have to know to be on the right side of crypto information with BitBull. Hey guys, this is Dave. Welcome you all to my new channel, which is BitBull. Going forward, lots of news, lots of positive news. Okay, I'm emphasizing on positive. Yeah, it's going to be very positive news for all Bitcoin lovers. Last 24 hours coins performance, market updates, market news, and lots of things to discuss about. So please stay tuned, watch the video till end, and feel free to reach out to me in comment box regarding any issue or any concern. Happy to help you guys. Let me start with today's blockbuster news. According to source of news publication, New Indian Express, Indian government is most likely to classify Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as an asset class in India soon. It's a huge news for all Indian investors. Don't be too excited because lots more to come. Stay tuned for the next star news. Here's today's second biggest news. Paraguay is going to be the second country after El Salvador to legislate Bitcoin next month, which is in July. Carlitos Antonio Rizala Helman, a deputy of nation and member of Congress in Paraguay, plans to present a Bitcoin bill next month. He took it to the Twitter that he plans to introduce new Bitcoin and cryptocurrency legislation within next month. This is Paraguay, we wrote, July, we legislate. Other exciting updates from Paraguay, which is Group Chino, one of Paraguay's largest entertainment companies, is planning to accept cryptocurrency from next month. The group will accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, and Chiliz. So guys, now do your math and which coins to hold for next few months. Let's welcome this week's next biggest news. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that this e-com manufacturer company will resume its Bitcoin payment in coming weeks. In addition, Musk denied pumping and dumping Bitcoin, describing the acquisition as inaccurate, and also confirmed that Tesla only sold 10% of its holding in order to test cryptocurrency's liquidity without moving its price up or down. So it was nothing to do with Bitcoin price. Hey, let's take a look at today's market. ये तो खूनम खून होकर रखा है. Anyway, guys, don't get disheartened. And for all those deep buyers, the best time to buy, say Bitcoin is like a lot down, 0.84% down. So it's not like experts had to say that it's just because it's just the outcome of overselling since last 2 days. So this is the king of Bitcoin. So anyway, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow in coming days, it's again gonna be above 30 lakhs, which is like around 40k. So anyway, coming down Ethereum, again it's like 4.14% down. Just wait for like couple of days, or like let's just get down 1,60,000. Then it's definitely gonna be a good buy if you want to plan Ethereum or percentage of Ethereum in your portfolio. That will be a great buy. Then Bitcoin Cash, not that actual time, not that time 5, no. Before old you're craving for like few more thousands come down, like 40 to 42,000 would be a good buy. Then Binance Coin is one of the smartest coin in market. So whenever you get it in 25 or below 25, like 24, 500 something, just buy it. Going to be a boom in coming days. Okay, KSM, another very good coin. It's 25. I think last week only I saw it till 38,000. So again, it will be a very good buy. Again, wait for a couple of thousand come down. 23, 22. Great. I'm not sure about the Litecoin Dash. Filecoin again, it's a very good coin, going to be very good. They have like very good projects in coming days. Yeah, Solana, but very good coin, but not a good time to buy it. Let it come down like 2500 somewhere. Again, it will be a very good bait. Again, Dot, it's one of my best. It's sort of my own pick. I bought it at like 1500, but still it's coming down. Anyway, just hope for the best. Okay, coming down, there is Cardano. There is ADA and Matic. Lot more movement from Cardano and Matic. Again, please take this 2 coin for next coming months or years. This 2 is going to get a very big exposure in coming days. Cardano and Matic. Matic and Cardano, yeah, it's not I'd not say it's not a great time, but if you want to buy it, you can buy it. It's lot down. But still, Matic is a good price below 100, and also Cardano. Let it get down 5 and 6 more rupees, then you can take a shot. Ensign coin, again, it's not a good time to buy. It's above 100. Just let it get down like 93, 95. You can take a shot. The only coin STT is showing that green light. Okay, this is my personal experience from a market. So whenever I see see the USDT is on top, rest of the market will be down. I don't know, it's my own preference. I mean, it's my own point of view. Okay, I could be wrong with you guys, but it's my own point of view. Whenever I see that USD at the top showing some green lights, the rest of the markets will be on the red zone. It's one of the stable coin. You can definitely take a look at it. And other one, Ripple. Okay, then at the end, good news for all the dip buyers. I think it's time to fill your tank. Just get yourself prepared for update your portfolios, and all those active investors. You know that this bear market, it's never gonna stay for a long time. Okay, and if you are a marathon runner, it should not bother you much. So I'll just say one word, that stay tuned, hold your breath. There are a lot of positive news in our favor. So it's going to be a boom by next month. So guys, yeah, that's it from my side for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned, take care, stay connected, keep smiling, and enjoy the process.